Have you ever had the desire to make a comment to a customer that just said something ridiculous to you, but you know that it would be rude, offensive, or just downright disrespectful? I know I have. Hello everyone, I am David Lewis, and I'm going to share with you a simple question that will actually get the customer to give you their permission to make such a statement. And that question is, can I make a sarcastic comment? That's it. Can I make a sarcastic comment? Now, let me give you an example. Let's say you're negotiating the price of a car and you're, let's say, $20 apart in the payment. I would ask, can I make a sarcastic comment? And we all know that most people will say yes. And that is them actually giving you permission to state whatever you want, even if it is not appropriate. So back to our example. We're at $20 apart. I ask, can I make a sarcastic comment? Customer states, sure. Then I reply with, when you go out for dinner and the check is $100, do you try and negotiate a $20 tip with the server? Of course not. And you don't think twice about leaving a tip that you will forget about 20 minutes later. So why would you want to deprive yourself of the luxury of a new car over the amount of a $20 tip? Get their permission, and then you can state whatever you want. And I don't make many promises, but I will promise you that most people will say yes when you ask them if you can make a sarcastic comment. Give it a try. I think you will like the approach.
Thank you for watching my video, and I hope I inspired you. If you enjoyed the content, please like, share, and click the subscribe button. Once you subscribe, make sure to hit the bell so you can receive more content like this every week. And should you have any comments or questions, I'd love to hear them.